So hello everybody. So this is my second task. So it's about Ethernet and Mac. So we are going to take a quick look about how does this work. So I'm just following the lab which is in the tutorial. So in this example, we are going to access a particular website, which is the US Bill of Rights. So I have already done this part. So I have accessed the URL, and now we have captured this particular Wireshark capture, this particular communication, and to be able to do that, so since we are just analyzing the Ethernet, so we have removed the IP, so the IP headers and things like that. So we are only concentrating on the frame and the Ethernet and the data. So first of all, we need to see the GET request from our browser to the web server. So this is somewhere over here, so I'm just trying to find it. Okay, so if we check this one, yes, so you can see here in the data part we have the GET request. So my source MAC address would be my PC, my laptop, and the destination MAC address would be my modem. That is my ISP modem, my router over here. So this is the destination. And also we can find here the type is 0x08, so it's the hexadecimal value. And if we type here on data, so these are all of the data, and the source over here, so this is the source which is highlighted, the source MAC address. And if you click on destination, so this is a destination MAC address of my router, of my modem, right? And what else? So this is the encapsulation that is using the Ethernet, and the frame length here is 501 bytes, which is 4088 bits. And so the protocol in the frame is the Ethernet and the Ethernet type, and then we have the data. Right. So now moving next to the response. So let's just see the response. So the response is here. So you see it's okay. So we get the response okay. So this the highlighted part is the data. So over here, if you notice, the source is my router modem and the destination is the PC. So we are getting response from the outside to our PC. And here are the data. Yeah. So in this part, so it's very important to notice that broadcast in a broadcast is limited only to the router. So whenever it reaches, so the destination MAC address is not the real destination MAC address on the other side of the where this page is located, where the web server is located. So it's the next hop is the next, not next hop, but the next exit egress interface would be my router modem to go to the outside, that is to go on the internet. So that's why over here in my home network we can only see, because we are doing the capture here in my PC, so we'll be able just to see my PC, and the next device which is connected to is my modem. Right, so this is a little bit about Ethernet. So now we are going to talk about ARP. The second part is ARP, so Address Resolution Protocol. So what it does, it dynamically maps an IP address to an link MAC address. So first of all, we need to clear the ARP table. So I've already cleared the ARP table with ARP -D. And then to keep it simple, I'm trying to ping a device in the same network as my PC. So that would be ping this particular IP address 192.168.1.121. And let us see what happens in the Wireshark capture. So first of all, you can see here, so this particular source is my PC, and the destination is a broadcast because it doesn't know the MAC address, the destination MAC address. So if you can see over here, so source, this is my MAC address, the source MAC address of my PC, and the destination is a broadcast MAC address. And you can notice here the ARP is, the type ARP is this 806. And for the address resolution protocol, so it's a request, my PC is requesting who has that particular destination IP. So we don't know the broadcast, the MAC address, so that's why we are making an ARP request. So as you can notice here, so for ARP requests, the message type over here, the Ethernet is 1. The opcode request is 1 over here. So, and if you will see the reply, so the opcode reply is 2. So now let us have a look at the reply. So the source would be the MAC address of the destination, the other IP, and the destination is, the source is the MAC address of the other IP which we requested, and the destination would be my MAC address, right? And in the address resolution protocol reply, and it's a type here for IP4, it's 0800. And you can see here, so the source MAC address is the other PC, and the sender IP address here is 1.121. This we already know. So, and the target MAC address is my PC, and the target IP address is my IP address over here. So that would be all for this particular demonstration. I hope you understand it. Thank you very much.